Hi friends, I'm spending some time in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. What is South Carolina? South Carolina is my home state. What is Myrtle Beach? Myrtle Beach is a place called Myrtle Beach in South Carolina, my home state. And there's a beach in it. I'm on the Strip, and the Strip is the place where all sorts... I'm on the Strip. The Strip is the place where all sorts of partying and debauchery goes down, but it's also the place where you can get interesting people photos. Let the photo walk begin. To a Starbucks to rehydrate my body. It is very hot today. So much hydration. I'm that kind of thirsty where when you finally get something to drink, it's one of the most inspirational and life-changing experiences one can behold. Have a good day, guys. Parking on the Strip, unless you want to spend money, has to be a creative experience. And I parked in a huge parking lot that made me concerned that I should not be parking in said parking lot. And I was worried that my car would be gone. Luckily, I still see it. I'm crossing a 6-lane highway. My game plan while out today is to stay in the shade as much as possible. And I think I was pretty successful at this. What happens if I don't stay in the shade is that my freckles will grow bigger and grow together and then swell inward and swallow my organs, which is just uncomfortable. outside of a Starbucks in South Carolina. Me and my wife use Starbuy to get our work done whenever we travel. She's inside. I wanted to touch on a couple of things before I end this video. One being that I'm reminded, taking photos in Myrtle Beach, that every city has its own unique character to it. And this is one of my favorite aspects of street photography. And Myrtle Beach is no exception. It sort of has this gritty craziness feel to it. Not a place I would want to live, but an interesting place to take photos. Next, me and my wife made travel vlogs of our excursion from Utah to the East Coast. And if you want more videos of me doing creative things, as well as my wife doing creative things, feel free to check that out. I linked to that. Also, I wanted to mention these sunglasses. They were sent to us by a company called Eyewear. I just wanted to show appreciation to them for that. They are excellent sunglasses. I encourage you to check them out. They're made of wood and they're light. And what was the last thing I wanted to say? There was one more thing. This is where I cut it. I wanted to mention the work of my friend Will Crooks. I've mentioned him many times on this channel. We've spoken many times on this channel. But he has sort of leveled up in his abilities recently, like a wizard of photography. His handle on light is ridiculous, and he does studio work. He works for a publication here in South Carolina, and you give him a couple of artificial lights and he can make magical things happen in a way that I don't think I can. But this is what you're seeing right now is his street photography work, which he also has a wonderful handle on natural light. And like I said, he has reached a whole new level of goodness lately. I really love his stuff, and I just wanted to share it with you once more. Please feel free to check him out, leave him some love. But that is it for this video. I would love to hear your thoughts. Please feel free to check out my shop if you want to support what I'm up to here. I hope you have a lovely day. Goodbye.